Hi, good morning class. Before we start the class, let's sing together. When I was just a little girl, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Heard what she said to me. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera. Okay, let's move to the materi. Today we are going to discuss about narrative text. A narrative text tells a story through a sequence of events. It includes character, a setting, and a plot, often featuring a conflict or challenge. Its purpose is narrative text is a type of writing that tells a story. It involves a sequence of events that usually follow a structure with a beginning, middle, and end. This genre of text typically includes character, a setting, a plot, and often a conflict or challenge that the character must face. The primary purpose of narrative text is to entertain, inform, or convey a message through storytelling. Here's a type of narrative text. The first is fairy tales. The second is legend of myth. The third is fiction. The last is anecdote. Okay, fairy tales are short, imaginative stories typically set in a fantastic world with magical elements. They often feature ancient beings such as fairies, giants, and talking animals, and usually contain a moral or lesson. Fairy tales have roots in oral storytelling tradition and were passed down through generations before being written down. They often reflect the values, fears, and desires of the culture from which they originate. For example, a fairy tale is Sleeping Beauty, Snow White, and Hansel and Gretel. Legend or myth. Legends are traditional stories or narratives that are often based on historical events or figures. Though they may be embraced or executed over time, they blend fact and fiction and usually serve to explain historical phenomena or cultural practice. Myths are traditional stories that often involve good supernatural beings or mythical creatures. They are used to explain natural phenomena, human behavior, or the origin of cultural practice. Myths are integral to understanding the spiritual philosophical belief of a culture. Fiction refer to literature that creates story from the imagination of the author. These stories may be inspired by real events or entirely events but are not considered factual. Fiction often includes elements that are not real, such as fictional character, event, and setting. This can range from fantastical world in science fiction and fantasy to realistic portrayals of everyday life in literary fiction. The next is anecdote. Anecdotes are short, often amusing or interesting stories about real incidents or people. Anecdotes are brief narratives that recount specific events or experiences, usually involving real people and real situations. They are not as elaborate as full-length stories but are concise and to the point. There are generic structure of narrative text. The first is orientation, the second is complication, the third is resolution, and the last is coda. Coda is optional. Okay, orientation part is crucial in narrative text as it provides the foundational element that allow readers to understand and engage with the story. It establishes the world of the narrative, introduce key character, and set up the initial context and conflict. Okay, the next is complication. Central conflict. This could be struggle between character, example protagonist versus antagonist, a character's internal struggle, example self-doubt, ethical dilemma, or conflict with external force, example nature, societal norms. Rising action. The complication path often include a series of events that increase the stake and complexity of the central conflict. These events contribute to the rising action and build toward the climax. The obstacle and challenge is characters may encounter various obstacles or challenges that make it more difficult to resolve the conflict, adding depth to the narrative. Character reaction. The way characters respond to the complication reveal their personalities, motivation, and growth. Their reaction can drive the plot forward and contribute to character development. The last is resolution. Is the final stage in a narrative text where the central conflict is resolved and the story reaches its conclusion. Purpose. The provide closure by resolving the main conflict or problem introduced in the story. Conflict resolution show how the conflict is addressed and what the outcome is. Character resolution highlight any change or growth in the character as a result of the resolution. Final thought offer reflection on the themes of the story and provide a satisfying conclusion for the reader. In short, the resolution wraps up the narrative, bringing the story to a close and tying together the plot thread. Okay, student, I think it's enough about material for today. Today, let's open your smartphone, then open Google to open WordWell.